Okay, so this week's free trade setup video is just about to begin. I'm a little late sending this video out today. This week. A little late. I couldn't make the video yesterday, so I had to make it today. So this week's trade is going to be on the Swiss franc Japanese yen, and in this video I'm going to go over the actual setup, the reasons behind it, and yeah, show you exactly what I'm looking at. Why I'm looking to sell this pair. So first off, if you're new to my channel and you haven't subscribed yet, simply hit the subscribe button now, and let's get into the charts. Okay, so this week I'm looking to sell Swiss franc Japanese yen, and it's actually been entered already. Okay, we're looking to sell it at 117,200, and I'm going to go over the setup now. Okay, so as you can see, if you look at the monthly charts here, it's just basically trading this resistance area here on the higher time frame of the monthly charts. Okay, 117,200. Okay, so I'm expecting this to fail here and drop back down. Okay, if you look at the weekly charts here, similar story. We're right up at this level here. Okay, price has actually come into the area now. Last week we got a weekly divergence. They're very strong signals at the top of this monthly zone. Okay, so a very basic setup. The market's at the top of the area. It started to move sideways, and I'm expecting this to drop down this week, and ultimately all the way back down to this area here will be a good target, okay, for a long-term hold on this. So this starts to work this week. You can hold this for 1 or 2 weeks and hold it all the way down to 114, okay, 114 or 113, 300, 500, okay, which is down here. Okay, so this week's trade is, hold on, speech bubble. Okay. Text area. Okay, so we're looking to sell CHFJPY at 117. So it's basically, if you're watching this now, you can actually enter the trade now. Okay, 200. Stop loss, we're going to give this 120 pip stop loss, which is at 118.4. Take profit is going to be 114. Okay, once this starts to go here, you can hold this for several weeks if you like. And that's the trade setup this week. Okay, just pause your video, enter that now. Okay, as always, trade at your own risk. And you can see in the lower time frame charts here that the market is starting to slow down. Okay, it's moving sideways at the top of this higher time frame resistance area. Okay, selling zone, and you can see it's been in this kind of range for quite some time now. Okay, if this fails, we could see this year coming all the way down here to 106. We will see. If it breaks out, then we're heading up a lot higher. Okay, so that's a trade. If you're looking for a signal service that guarantees results, it's fully certified, it's tracked, simply click the link below, join our service. If you have any questions, let me know at will@fxace.com, and have a great week. Let me know your comments in the comment section.